Hello, guys. Here we are to teach you how to do a phone holder or a book holder, anything you want, okay? I'm going to explain you step by step how to do it. So, just follow the video and go stopping it little by little. So I explain one thing, you stop it and you do it. And following every step, it should be fairly simple to do it, okay? So, first of all, we need to open Inkscape. As you see, I'm in Inkscape now, and I have a blank page. First of all, the most important thing, to come to File, click on File, and say Document Properties. When we open the document properties, we need to set the default units in centimeters, okay? From here and from here. And as you know, we are doing this because we want to print it out in Word in FabLab. So for that, we need to set the layout of our page the same size as the laser cutter printer. Okay. So we change this. Now we have centimeters. We change the width into 60 centimeters and the height in 30. So now this will be the size of the laser cutter. Okay, when we have done this, we just cross it and look, the size of my canvas has changed. So now we press 5 and we have the canvas in front of us. Okay, good. So now what we do? First of all, we need to take a meter and see how big is our phone. How big do we want our phone holder to be? And now I'm going to measure my phone, and its height is 14.5 centimeters. For this class we're going to do just 15, it's easier. And this width is approx 7.5, so let's say 8. So my phone is 15 centimeters height and 8 centimeters width. Good. So now let's start working. I will go here to the square and I will draw a beautiful square. Maybe let's put some color so it's easy to recognize. And here on the square you can see that we have the width and the height. So the width, I said that it was 8 centimeters and the height was 15. So there you go. This is the size of my phone. If it's too little, just come to this and make it bigger for you. It is too much. Okay, good. So here I have my phone holder. Now we do the same for the base. I'm going to take another square and I'm going to make a new rectangle. I'm going to change the color so it's easier to recognize. Okay, so I have this new rectangle and I want the width to be the same as the width of this first rectangle. So it's going to be the same as my phone, so 8 centimeters width. Okay, and now because I want to put my phone on it, I want it to be a little bit bigger than my phone. So I'm going to say, let's put a height of 5 centimeters. Okay, so this is it. It should work. Sorry. Sorry, I just check it out. 5 centimeters is too big. Sorry. So we will leave it in 2 centimeters. Okay. Okay. Good. Good. So now we have our 2 centimeters. Now it makes sense. And now we put it on. And look, it fits. Perfect. It's the size we want. Now we keep on going. Because like this is just where the phone is going to be standing. But we need something to help it stay straight. So we will make a line like this. You can make it as long as you want. But size, the width is going to be it's still like you can choose. I like maybe 3 centimeters. I think that one is good enough. Okay, so I will put it, and I wanted to put it straight right in the middle. But how to do that? Okay, we will select both figures with the Shift key. So we press the first one, Shift, and press the second one. And here in Object, no, in Path, we will put Path Union. No, 1 second, sorry. Sorry, this is the problem of being live. Yes, I want to arrange them and have this exactly in the middle. How to do that? We come here to Object, Align and Distribute, and this will appear. And we want this one that will center on vertical axis. So we click, and it was pretty good, but it just changed it to so it's exactly in the middle. So now I have it there, and I want to union them. As I show you, we go to Path, we press Union, and then we have one whole piece. Okay. So now, if I want to print this, I will have this piece of wood here and this piece of wood here. But I want this one to go right into this one. So remember, this was 3 centimeters long. So I need a new square over here that is going to be 3 centimeters and with a height of, let's say, yes, 0.5. Okay, and I will have that thing over there. But as before, I want this to be strictly in the middle, you know, so it's not way to the right or way to the left. Right now it's not in the middle, so I will do again the same thing. I will click this one, press Shift, and the second one, and then we will put Object, Align and Distribute, that it was already here, and we will center on vertical axis. So now, perfect. I have everything I need. But if I put this now on the laser cutter, it will paint it. It won't cut it through. So, how to do that? I will select all my objects and I will click here, Object, Fill, and Stroke. So, we have to follow these steps, okay, one by one. Fill, we don't want any color on this. So we will just click X because we don't want the laser cutter to color it. We just want it to cut it through. Okay, so no paint, X. Stroke paint, we will put it, this one is already on the red, but you will have something like this. So you will take the red bar and put it all the way up. Why? Because the laser cutter recognizes the red as the cutting through area. So if all the outside of our figures are this red, that means that the laser has to cut those parts. Okay. So once we have done that, we go to Stroke Style. Here we need to put this in millimeters and select it at 0.02. Okay, and then it will become like nearly you cannot see hardly anything. So just use your loop to know where your lines are. So is here. Yes, you can see we have here the line of my phone holder, and this is the open space, and I have here. I cannot see. 1 second. I have lost it. Wait, sorry. There it goes. Here's the other one. Okay, you can see my phone holder. Good. So I click a little bit further out. So it's a piece, isn't it? So okay, once we're here, we just won the last step. So we will click on our phone holder and then shift on the box over here, and we will move both of them to the side of the canvas like this, as much as well, and also to the top of it. There we go. Perfect. Okay, we will do the same with the base, and we will come here and we will put it under it. Great. And we have some space left here, that's fine. Good. So we have it. Perfect. So now if we go to the laser cutter, we will have this cut through and we will have our phone holder. But like this is just going to be a plain wood piece. So I'm going to finish this video, and you can watch, if you have finished, you can watch the next one, that is where I'm going to explain how to put some symbols, some words, anything you want on the phone holder so it looks nicer. Okay, so enjoy, have fun.